Yo, B-STEEZY's and the Heezy. Amara. Waving, saying hi. We in the house. We with the fam, my parents. With my fam, my parents, my sister, my niece. We doing the Polar Express train ride later. So, you guys gonna come along with us, enjoy the fun. I think she turned back around. Yeah, she in there on her iPad. Anyway. Good to be back. Be out. Get Amara. We going cruising here. You wanna hold it?
Hi. Hi guys. Hi guys.
What up, y'all?
December 11th.
Yeah, December 11th. It's been we've been on a long hiatus. We'll be back, y'all. You gonna turn your headlights on?
Huh?
Here, hand me up.
Oh, Victoria took hers off. She don't want to wear it right now. She gonna wear
Where y'all
it
going?
later.
We just gonna go out and one way.
Not that fast, nope. Ain't that fast. You got your shirt's on backwards. Look, once again. You have hit the picture right. She left. Oh, we going outside? Oh, look who it is. You ready to get on the train?
Yeah.
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 Still missed some teeth up in there, but girl. Oh. Yeah.
Where's Papa?
Down there walking.
Papa.
Down there walking. Don't you see him?
That's Papa.
Yeah, it's Papa. Oh, let me turn this off before we get hit with the copyright. Dinner.
Hello, everybody.
Hello. Digging her.
Hello.
Larry. What's that say?
Mary and Grapes.
Mary and Bright. That's right. Mary and Bright. Smile, Victoria. Yeah. So what up? Y'all ready to get on the Polar Express?
Yeah.
Ready to go see Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Is he gonna be on it?
What letter do we got to get in the line?
L.
Very good job.
Anyway, you ready to go see Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna ask him for some presents?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of presents you gonna ask him for?
Barbie.
Barbies? What about you?
Barbie.
You gonna ask for Barbies too? I don't know what should I ask Santa Claus for? Some money? TRX? My 2 front teeth? I got my 2 front teeth though. Bing. Say Merry Christmas. And all I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth. Oh, you missing your 2 side teeth. Okay. You almost made yourself fall, man, from this.
Oh, you know what? That does help. That does help. Matching pajamas are the best.
Cool.
I love to see everybody in Christmas.
You ready for Christmas? Yeah. What do you? Silly. Can we take the camera off you? No. You're silly. Alright. What's happening?
I'll turn the camera around, Jaden.
Back to the regularly scheduled program. B-STEEZY the dad. And Amara the monster. Amara the bean.
They're going by letter for everybody to get. We're letter L for our boarding, so they've been going letter by letter to see who's allowed it.
About to get on the train. Are you excited to get on the train? Hot, hot. Fresh hot chocolate. Mara, let me see you drinking your hot chocolate.
Cheers. The most wonderful.
Go ahead, drink some. Let's see.
Be careful, not to be hot. Does it taste hot? Good, good.
Take another sip so your brother can see.
Is that right? I think I spelled A. Well, how many of you have never ridden a train before?
Raise your hand, girl.
Raise your hand. Have you guys never ridden a train before?
You never rode.
Well, fantastic. A special welcome aboard the Polar Express on this Glacier Gulch car. Now, how many of you know what Glacier Gulch means? Come on, you got more excited, man. Clap, man. train. Always remember, one thing about a train, it doesn't matter where you're going. It matters.
Oh, that was great time on the Polar Express. You have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have fun?
Much fun.
How much fun? Here, let's see. How much fun? Oh, the whole train fun? What about you, Victoria? You have fun? Did you have fun? Yeah? Okay, good. Good.
Chico, what's your favorite part?
That was the car we were on. What was your favorite part?
And mine was Santa and singing.
Santa and singing?
And hot chocolate.
No, and the hot chocolate. What about the cookie?
Uh,
Was the cookie better than the McDonald's cookie you had earlier?
no.
No. What about you? What was your favorite part? What was your favorite part? What was your favorite part, Victoria?
Victoria?
Singing? The cookie?
Santa?
Yeah.
Santa?
What was your favorite part?
Watching the kids.
Watching the kids. Okay.
Enjoy.
Good answer. So what was my favorite part? Watching the Munchkin here have fun. We back at the hotel. We about to call it a night. Come here. We're about to call it a night. So this is the first video we did in, oh man, it's been months. But anyway, Amara, you're out.
Bye.
And B's out.